How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2021 BMW X5 45e. So I didn't even know this thing existed at first. It is a hybrid model. We're going to go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn. We're going to try and get an acceleration run in today, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think of it. I love that little chime there, electric startup noise. Definitely different from that regular BMW chime you heard afterwards. But yeah, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and until we get to the Autobahn, I'm just going to be quiet, let you guys hear the noises the car makes, just a silent POV, and then, like I said, I'll come back later and tell you guys what I think of it. So I tried to charge up the battery a little bit on that short little drive we had there because the battery's pretty much empty. I hope we have enough battery boost to get a proper launch in. So we're going to go ahead and accelerate here. I think it does go up slightly uphill there. We're just going to go ahead and launch it. I'm going to time this as well so you guys can get approximately the real-time acceleration. Well, this is actually fine right here. A lot of traffic going on. I'm not sure if we can reach top speed, which is right around 235 kilometers an hour, 239 on the speedo. We're just going to go ahead and launch it after this truck here. Timing, that was some timing. It is restricted here as well, I didn't know that. So either way, this thing launches pretty hard. Of course, it is a hybrid, so that means it gets some electric boost, so it launches off the line pretty hard, and it keeps on accelerating because it has that V6 or inline 6 engine, straight 6 from BMW. So yeah, this thing, I think it puts out right around 286 PS. It's kind of hard to find out how much it actually puts out on the spec sheets, but I think it's 286 PS from the engine, and then it should have some boost from the electric motor as well. I'll find out and put that in the description below. But overall, this is a really solid, rugged feeling SUV, and I really enjoyed my time with it. Personally, I'm not the biggest fan of the looks. I think it looks okay. It's not the best looking SUV out there, but like I said, it feels really solid. The steering wheel is just nice, thick and heavy. Everything just feels very well made, quality wise. Also, the Bowers & Wilkins audio system that we have in this one sounds really good. You have massaging seats that even massages the bottom part of the seats. The seat heating works fairly decent, or actually pretty good. So yeah, everything about this SUV is very, very nice, and it feels very luxurious and premium. You have electronic control of the steering wheel here as well. You've got your steering wheel heating. Like I said, plenty of power. You can drive around electrically, you know, if you want to do that in town or whatever. Of course, you have XDrive 4-wheel drive system, so you don't have to worry. I took this out on a little, I guess, dirt road, so to speak, and I wasn't worried about getting stuck even in these rainier conditions and everything. So overall, this is a really nice SUV. Like I said, it's fairly quick. We'll see what that acceleration time was to 100, but it should do right around, I think, like 5 seconds, somewhere around the 5-second range from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. So plenty fast enough for an SUV. You can smoke a lot of sports cars or hot hatches with this as well. Like I said, you got all-wheel drive and everything. So definitely recommendable if you are looking for a vehicle in this price range. Of course, this is a really, really nice option, and I'm really becoming a fan of BMW for some reason, because they just feel super solid. Really, the interior quality on these BMWs is second to none. I mean, this is really, really good. Everything is soft, the leather is nice, the seats are really comfortable. You can adjust them in a lot of different ways. You got these extensions here for your thigh. You got the bolster extensions as well for your sporty driving. The ambient lighting is nice. So there's really nothing negative for me to say about this BMW. Even this button right here is very nice, because you can turn off all the assistance systems that are super annoying with this button here. I'm trying to think. I think I had one thing that I did not like with this BMW. But honestly, it wasn't that big because I can't think of it anymore. So if I can remember, I'll come back and tell you guys. But other than that, that'll be it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars, and I will see you guys in the next video. Just real quick, I came to remember the thing that I did not like about this X5 45E, and that is the regen braking. I can't seem to find any way to turn it off, and it's pretty annoying, because I really don't. A lot of people like regen braking, but I just don't like it, unless you really want to charge up the battery. And if I go here, I can't change it whatsoever. I guess on the fully electric vehicles you can change it, but here with the hybrid models from BMW, I guess you can't change the regen braking. So that is pretty annoying. That was the one major complaint I had about this X5. Other than that, this is a very, very solid vehicle, and definitely one of the most fun, most solid, and best SUVs I've driven in the past year. So definitely keep that in mind, and yeah, that'll be it for the video, guys. See you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe.